Assignment operator. In Python, the assignment operator is used to assign values to the operands. The assignment operators used in Python are equal to operator, add and operator, subtract and operator, multiply and operator, divide and operator, modulus and operator, exponent and operator. Equal to operator. It is used to assign values from right side operands to left side operand. For example, num3 equals num1 plus num2 assigns a value of num1 plus num2 into the variable num3. Add and operator. It is used to add the value of the right operand to the left operand and assign the result to left operand. Num1 add and num2 is equivalent to num1 equals num1 plus num2. Subtract and operator. It is used to subtract the value of the right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Example, num1 subtract and num2 is equivalent to num1 equals num1 minus num2. Multiply and operator. It is used to multiply the value of the right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Example, num1 multiply and num2 is equivalent to num1 equals num1 into num2. Divide and operator. It is used to divide the value of the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. For example, num1 divide and num2 is equivalent to num1 equals num1 divided by num2. Modulus and operator. It is used to take the modulus using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. Example, num1 modulus and num2 is equivalent to num1 equals num1 modulus num2. Exponent and operator. It is used to perform the exponential power calculation on operators and assign value to the left operand. Num1 exponent and num2 is equivalent to num1 equals num2 exponent num2.